present video, we will discuss the example problem on optimal strategy of the game. Let's see the problem. From the following game, evaluate the optimal strategies and value of the game for the both the players. Here, player A having the 4 strategies and player B having the 4 strategies. Let's see the solution. First, we will check the whether the given game has a saddle point or not. If the game has the saddle point, the respected position of the saddle point is the optimal strategy. We will determine the saddle point of the game by applying the maxi-min and minimax principle. First step is to determine the maxi-min value by select the minimum element in each row of the payoff matrix and write them under the row minima heading. Then select the maximum element among these elements and enclose it in a rectangle. So first we have to keep the row minima heading, then select the minimum value from the each row. So in the A1 row, minimum value is the 1. In the A2 row, minimum value is the 2. In the A3 row, minimum value is the 0. And in the A4 row, minimum value is the 2. Then we have to select the maximum value among these minimum values. So among the 1, 2, 0 and 2, maximum value is the 2. So 2 is the maxi-min value and this is the enclosed with the rectangle. Second step is the determine the minimax value by select the maximum element in each column of the payoff matrix and write them under the column maxima heading. Then select the minimum element among these elements and enclose it in a circle. So first keep the column max heading, then select the maximum value from the each column. So in the B1 column, maximum value is the 5. In the B2 column, maximum value is the 3. In B3 column, maximum value is the 5. And in the B4 column, maximum value is the 2. Then select the minimum value among these maximum values. So among the 5, 3, 5, 2, minimum value is the 2. So select the 2. 2 is the minimax value and this is the enclosed with a circle. Next observe here, maxi-min value which is enclosed in the rectangle and minimax value which is enclosed in the circle, both are the same, that is the 2. So maxi-min value is the 2 and minimax value also 2. So this 2 is the value of the game. So we have to find out the element that is same in the circle as well as the rectangle and mark the position of such element in the matrix. This element represents the value of the game and is called as the saddle point. So here element 2 is the same in the circle as well as in the rectangle. So we have to mark the element 2. So this point we are calling as the saddle point. Then respected position of the saddle point is the optimal strategy. Here position of the saddle point is the A2 row and B4 column. If the game exists the saddle point, then the game is the pure strategy and players will be selected the only one strategy. So player A will be select the only second strategy and player B select the only fourth strategy. So optimal strategy of player A is the 0, 1, 0, 0 and optimal strategy of player B is the 0, 0, 0, 1. So one more thing you have to observe. Another position of the saddle point also exists, that is the A4 row and B4 column. So this game having the another optimal strategy, that is the optimal strategy for the player A is the 0, 0, 0, 1 and optimal strategy of the player B is the 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is the solution and thank you.